Garden plants attract insect pests by the dozens, from aphids to slugs. But before you reach for an insect,
Take another look at the insects in your planting beds, while the pests are devouring your squash.
And tomatoes. Another wave of garden hoverflies is coming to the rescue. Beneficial garden hoverflies prey the
There are, of course, pros and cons to purchasing garden bugs to attack insects that you don't want in your garden. On the plus side, garden bugs are easy and are
affordable most of the year. They eat many different kinds of pests. And they are
particularly effective against insects that attack perennial plants like yarrow, according to Michelle Cook, a farmer.
greenhouse coordinator at Red Butt Garden in Salt Lake City, Utah. Garden bugs, which are easy to release most of the year, are also much more environmentally friendly than insecticides.
And they can be as or more effective at killing pests. On the minus side, garden bug eggs can take 1 to 2 weeks or longer
to hatch and start feeding on your pests, and some varieties of adult garden bugs will
disperse and not stay long in your garden. Also, some garden bugs are so voracious that
like Newman wasps will eat just about any other insects in your garden, even helpful ones like ladybugs. Most of the beautiful adult lacewings feed on pollen, nectar, and honeydew. Kissing bug assassin bugs know how to take care of business. These true bugs use trickery.
Praying mantises can handle even the largest pests in the garden. You need a good eye to spot one.
You probably have minute pirate bugs in your garden and don't even know it. These plant predators